So I guess it's not your last letter.
I can't explain to you guys what it felt like to receive that letter, because you feel like there are certain people that would never contemplate suicide or ending their lives. But sometimes when something happens to you, it rocks your boat, and then all of a sudden, things that you would have never thought about, you start thinking of. And especially when it comes to losing someone that you love. Even the Prophet ﷺ losing Khadija radiallahu ta'ala anha, losing his uncle Abu Talib, that's the year that's known as 𝗟𝗚𝗡𝗎, the year of grief. Not the year that the Prophet ﷺ was boycotted, not the year that he was oppressed or forced into those ghettos, but the year that he lost Khadija and Abu Talib. Why? Because even when he was oppressed before that, he could go home and he could find that comfort in Khadija radiallahu anha, but he didn't have that anymore. He didn't have the physical comfort from Abu Talib. And that's something that we'll all face in our lives at times, and the thing is that either you will live to see your loved ones go, or you will go before your loved ones. And it's important for us to keep things in perspective when that happens. And imagine if Ziyara would have actually went forth and ended his life and committed suicide. Then he would have ruined his own life, his own hereafter, and he would have also ruined the opportunity to do more good deeds for his mother. And so here Ziyara decided to be his mom's last good deed, because he gives her now a source of everlasting blessings and good deeds, because he can give charity on her behalf, he can supplicate for her, he can spread knowledge in her name. Now he can do things for her. And that's something that we have to realize, that when we're alive and the beloved ones, people that lived for us when they were alive, leave this world, now it's our turn to live for them and to do things that will benefit them in that situation. And also understand this, that Allah knows your pain and Allah knows what you're going through. And if you seek reward for that pain and that patience, the reward that you would get in return is better than having that beloved one with you. And that's why Abdullah bin Abbas radiallahu anhu, when his father Al-Abbas, the uncle of the Prophet ﷺ, passed away, a Bedouin came to him and he said, خَيْرٌ مِّنَ الْعَبَّاسِ أَجْرُكَ بَعْدَ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرٌ مِّنْكَ لِلْعَبَّاسِ. That the reward that Allah will give you for your patience as you grieve your father is greater than having him with you. And Allah is better than you for your father.